Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. This is the channel where we are reviewing different projects with huge potential where we can make profits. And if you are new to cryptocurrencies, then guys, bull market is coming in 2021. It will not come now and altcoin season will not come now, and from experience I can tell you that this will start only in 6 months or about 8 months starting from now, as we are now finishing this year guys. In this video I decided to review a Matic network. This is another project which I am investing, which I'm holding as well. I will tell you at the end of this video my price prediction for Matic token. To my opinion, this will be also one of the hugest projects, and it will be in top 30 best projects when this bull market and altcoin season will start, because this is a legit project and working project. What is Matic network? Scalable and instant blockchain transactions. And by the way guys, this Matic network, it has a huge use cases. It has a lots of use cases. If we go, and I will go through, I will just quickly show you these use cases. I will not be deep diving into this project. If you want, you can have a look. There is thousands of other YouTubers who have done a full review of this project, but I will just show you a basic idea what is Matic if you are new to Matic network. The main thing which they are solving here is the issue of slow blockchain confirmations and high gas fees need to be resolved. As you know, even if we are sending Bitcoin, let's say, transactions are very slow, and if the network gets overloaded with many transactions, it gets very slow. And sometimes, and even in bull markets, when will bull market come in Bitcoin, you will know, or if you don't know from previous bull markets guys, we will get stuck and some transactions will be coming through on Bitcoin blockchain. It could take you up to 3-4 days, as it was in my case. In last bull market it was about 3 to 4 days for some transactions to come through, and they become very expensive. And Matic is solving this problem also guys, and it is solving not only this problem but many other problems as well, and that's why Matic has a huge perspective guys, and it is a legit project like I already mentioned. So the issue of slow block confirmations and gas fees need to be solved before we target mass adoption by mainstream users, and most importantly it needs some user experience. And one more thing about Matic network guys is that they are already working with projects, and they are already implementing different projects, and they have huge amount of partnerships also built since they started this project. We aim to change that by simplifying the interaction between users and the decentralized world. We want to make interacting with decentralized ecosystem so easy that anyone can do so without worrying about the complexity of the system and Matic architecture and so on and so forth. And I will actually go, here are Matic features. As you see, scalability, which is very important in any blockchain technology, how scalable it is. High throughput, can scale to millions of transactions on a sidechain 3 architecture up to 65,000 transactions a second. And if you know guys, or if you don't know, then for example Bitcoin has only 6 to 7 transactions per second, and for example if you take Ethereum, I don't know how much they will have on Ethereum too, but on Ethereum there were about 15 transactions per second. This is huge, 65,000 transactions per second, and it will change everything heavily. And as you know, for example for MasterCard there are 35 to 40,000 transactions per second, as I believe that was the number. So you can compare Matic network to payment systems which we are using already today, but approximately half times faster. User experience, security, asset interoperability, and one-stop DeFi or decentralized finance platforms. Matic is also in DeFi, and many projects also are already cooperating and working with Matic. And by the way, one of important things is that Matic is also backed up by Binance, and one more important thing is that it will be listed on Coinbase. Sooner or later it will be listed on Coinbase, and its price will explode when it will happen. Matic has also different features which allow developers easier to develop on their platform. Matic helps you to scale your dApps or decentralized applications massively. You can even use your own tokens as settlement fees to run the network. It provides SDK or software development kits and APIs, application programming interfaces, for fast and easy development. So easier for developers to develop on Matic network, and they obviously has their advisors, and there is also a huge team which you can also come in and you can check on Matic network. And by the way guys, this is not sponsored video. I'm just showing you this project because I believe myself in this project and I think that this project will be huge. If we go for example on CoinMarketCap and if you look at charts, you will see that Matic network was released only in 2019 and it was not here in previous bull run. If you compare those tokens which were here in previous bull run, such as ADA, which has been developed by Charles Hoskinson, and they also are promising different things, and they are now saying that they are Ethereum 2.0 killer, Ethereum killer, and I will talk about this also in one of my future videos when I will create a video about ADA. But in general guys, idea is that Matic was not here in the previous bull run. As you know, for example, for ADA there is about 30 billion is already in circulation, where in Matic network we have in circulation only about 5 billion now, and here we have only total supply or pretty much maximum supply of Matic we have 10 billion, where if we will compare now, for example, I will open up ADA, I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Cardano ADA, as you can see here in circulation we have 31 billion of ADA guys, and it costs at the current price 14 cents. But here in Matic network, that's why I'm just showing you these numbers so you just understand that in circulation we have 5 billion and total we have 10 billion, so we will never reach such a total supply or total amount in circulation as ADA has already. They have already 31 billion in circulation, and ADA was, or Cardano project was, in previous bull runs. However, this is longer project, and exactly because of that reason that this Matic network has this small supply in comparison to ADA and to Cardano ADA. And as you remember, for those who were here in previous bull run, Cardano ADA reached $1. So I believe that this project easily Matic network, because it is a legit project, it has a lots of use cases, a lots of people, a lots of partnerships are currently being developed with Matic network guys. I believe that this will be huge and it will easily go to $1 per Matic coin guys, and that's only my opinion. And by the way, this is not a coin, this is a token, because it is built on Ethereum. This is ERC20 token, this is built on Ethereum blockchain technology, that's why it's token guys. So yes, this is my opinion, and I think that price for this could easily go even to $2 because of this low circulating supply and because the project is legit, and a lot of already has been built right now on Matic, and they already have a lots of different partnerships. You can go and check them out for yourself, as obviously I will not have time for this to do it in this video. So as there is gaming involved, if we go here in use cases, here you can see all use cases. As you can see here guys, payment transactions on Matic network can be confirmed in sub-seconds due to faster block generation times while incoming significantly lower fees. So low fees in payment networks, and people can, or companies or dApps can easily integrate. As you see, integrate Matic payment on your dApps with a few simple steps. So easily any dApps or decentralized applications which are being built, they can integrate Matic payment methods, Matic payment, and then there is decentralized exchanges which also can use Matic. Then we have gaming networks which also can use Matic, and there is a lots of different use cases, DeFi and so on and so forth guys. So this is my video, this is my opinion. Let me know in comments what do you think where Matic could go guys, but I think that this will easily in next bull run, in next altcoin season, will go up to $1 per coin. And this is my prediction, and I'm creating these predictions guys on this crypto ball channel just so you can see after whether I was right or whether I was wrong. However, as I'm always telling in any of my videos, any of these coins can go to zero. And my videos are not a financial advice, guys, so always make your own due diligence, always make your research on these coins, and invest only that what you can afford to lose, guys. Never invest more. But now I think at this price, taking consideration that now we have dropped at the lowest and now we have lots of altcoin drops, this is the best price to buy in Matic network. And another token I will also be shilling, and this is one I am shilling all the time, guys, LQD, and I would recommend anyone also to get into this at least. However, this is not a financial advice, at least $100 into this one, because for $100 currently you can buy 20,000 of them, and I believe that when new investors will be coming into the markets, they will also be buying everything what is cheap, like liquidity network, and which has a very small circulating supply. And liquidity is exactly that token which could easily, with couple of investors, with couple of new people who are coming into markets, which could rise the price. And this is pretty much like from previous bull markets, why these tokens or these coins or cryptocurrencies with small circulating supplies go up in price is exactly because of reasons that new investors come into the markets, they look at circulating supplies, they see that there is no billions, they look at the price and they buy in. Then comes the same next ones, like as well new people who are in cryptocurrency. They see that price is going up, it has small supply, it has still small price, for example 1 cent or 5 cents already at that time, and they also buy in. And this is going on and on and on until the price of such a token or cryptocurrency like liquidity network gets up to $1. And as you remember, or if you have been here in previous bull markets, guys, this is exactly what's happening in bull markets. Lots of people come in who has no idea where they are investing. They are investing in everything what is cheap and what has small circulating supply, in hope that price will go up, and that builds price up, and next people the same with no knowledge come in and they build price up until they will build the price to at least $1. But this is like speculation, like in many projects here in cryptocurrency space, because guys, as you know yourself, guys, about 60% or even 70% from current 8,000 projects, cryptocurrencies which are out there, they even don't have a project where liquidity network has a working project, it has a working mobile application, and so on and so forth, guys. So yes, this is my video on Matic network. If you found it useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.